Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Haseeb and I'm a student of National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences FAST NUSIS. Well, the purpose of making this video is to walk you through the demo of my project for interns.pk. The project is supposed to be developed on WordPress and is supposed to be related to some tourism content. As you can see, I have set up WordPress locally on my machine, and as for the tourism content, I decided to create a travel agency website. So the name of the travel agency company is Detour, and this is the main page or the home page of the website. So as I access the home page and scroll down, you basically can see that I have represented different information on the home page. I will come back to this section later on. Let me just further scroll down. So this basically represents the about information related to the company. For example, this is basically a sample data for the purpose of demo, and this basically presents the company's experience in the tourism industry. As I further scroll down, you basically can see any inquiries status and the contact information in case if anyone wants to reach out the company in person. Let me just come back to the top of my website. So on the top, you basically can see the navigation menu and the search bar. The search bar is there in order to make it faster for anyone to redirect to certain pages. And as for the links, they also basically serve the same purpose. Now the home button basically redirects you back to this page. The contact button basically redirects you to the bottom of the home page because the contact information lies in the on the bottom of this page. Well, next there is a tour cost but link. Now this tour cost link basically redirects me to another page. Let me just reopen it. uh, there. Now you can see this page basically represents the different options for anyone who wants to come on this tour. To just give them a general overview or information that how much the tour will cost depending on the package they choose and the features that for certain package will offer. So this is just for the basic information that a customer or a client need. Next is basically an inquiry link which basically redirects anyone to a contact me page. This page basically does what? This allows anyone to basically lay out or to send their queries if they basically face any kind of a problem or they have any kind of issue that they want to discuss with the company. So simply the person will enter his or her name, the email address, and a certain message. And when I click on the submit button, so it will basically redirect and inform the person that his or her message basically has been conveyed and received properly. So there you can see this. So now let me come back to the home page. Now basically in on the home page I basically have represented three major areas which will be covered during this tour, which are a part of this tour, and each one basically has a certain link which is basically established with it. So if I click on Lahore, it will basically redirect me to another page which will represent a brief general description of the city Lahore for anyone to look out, and it will also contain a gallery which will be representing different pictures from the city Lahore. This is basically just sample data for the purpose of demo. If I come back or scroll back and click on Islamabad, you can see it will also redirect me to the similar kind of a page as it did for Lahore. So on all of these pages, you can see basically there is a button book a tour, which will basically redirect me to another page, which will basically allow the client or the customer to book a tour. Now this is a page which will require the customer to enter some kind of information and the package which they basically want to choose. So let me just enter data for the demo purpose. So let me choose diamond package. Let me submit. Right. You can see that there is a success message. Your information has been successfully submitted. We will confirm your booking and process your payment. So as far as the website is concerned, I have basically provided an overview of how my front end of the website will look like and what major functionalities will it offer. Now let me just show you the admin area in order to show you how basically I can manage my website. So this basically is a simple dashboard. As you can see, WordPress, which WordPress offers, it allows you to manage your posts, medias, pages. It allows you to add some plugins or change the appearance of your website. So this is basically where I overall customize my website. Now this basically is the database which is basically linked to my website, and all the data which I will get through forms, it will basically be entered or will be stored in this database. So that is all from my side, and thank you very much.